वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑन साइंस ई सोल्यूशन। आई एम मंजू शर्मा और आज मैं आप सबके सामने लेकर आई हूँ नीट के प्रीवियस 5 इयर्स क्वेश्चन पेपर्स और वो भी चैप्टर वाइज। जी हाँ, अगर आप क्लास 11th में हैं एंड यू एम टू अटेम्प्ट फॉर मेडिकल्स आफ्टर क्लास 12, you can start preparing right now with Science E Solution. And today we are going to discuss on chapter number 16 of class 11th, that is digestion and absorption. इसमें हम देखेंगे कि 10 क्वेश्चंस है। इसका मतलब ऑन एन एवरेज एक साल में 2 क्वेश्चंस इस चैप्टर से आप एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद टुडेज क्वेश्चंस एंड आंसर्स। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, which of the following guards the opening of hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum? Option number 1 is sphincter of Oddi, number 2 semilunar valve, number 3 ileocecal valve, and number 4 pyloric sphincter. So hepatopancreatic duct is the duct which is formed by the combination of 2 ducts, that is hepatic duct from the liver and pancreatic duct from the pancreas. लिवर से बाइल डक्ट या हेपेटिक डक्ट होकर आता है और पैनक्रियास से पैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट आता है। ये दोनों मिलकर एक कॉमन हेपेटोपैनक्रियाटिक डक्ट बनाते हैं which opens into the duodenum part of the small intestine. And this opening of this hepatopancreatic duct is guarded by sphincter of Oddi. So option number 1 is the correct answer, that is sphincter of Oddi. Moving on to question number 2. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by the number 1 acidic cells, option number 2 gastrin secreting cells, option number 3 parietal cells, and option number 4 is peptic cells. So in stomach, 2 types of cells are very important. One is parietal cells and the other one is peptic cells. These parietal cells, they secrete gastric acid, that is also known as hydrochloric acid. Okay, and the peptic cells, it secretes pepsinogen enzyme which helps in digesting proteins. So the correct answer, gastric acid is secreted in the stomach by the parietal cells. Option number 3 is the correct answer. Now question number 3, which hormones do stimulate the production of pancreatic juice and bicarbonate? Option number 1 angiotensin and epinephrine, number 2 gastrin and insulin, number 3 cholecystokinin and secretin, and number 4 insulin and glucagon. We have seen that for pancreatic juice and bicarbonate production, the hormones are cholecystokinin and secretin. Option number 3 will be correct, because in other options you can see option number 1, that is epinephrine, it is a type of fight or flight hormone. Then for 2 and 4 you can see insulin is there. So insulin and glucagon, all these hormones are regulated with regulation of blood glucose. So option number 3 cholecystokinin and secretin is the correct answer. On to question number 4, which cells of crypts of Lieberkühn secrete antibacterial lysozyme? Crypts of Lieberkühn, they are present in small intestine, in the crypts of the small intestine. So the options for this question are Peynet cells, number 2 zymosin cells, number 3 Kupffer cells, and number 4 argentaffin cells. So you must know zymosin cells are present in stomach, Kupffer cells in the liver, and argentaffin cells, all the cells of our intestinal tract or gastrointestinal tract, which secrete hormones that take up the silver stain. That is why they are called as argentaffin cells. So option number 1 is the correct answer, that is Peynet cells. It secretes antibacterial enzyme, antibacterial lysozyme. Moving on to question number 5, which of the following options best represents the enzyme composition of pancreatic juice? Option number 1 amylase, pepsin, trypsinogen, maltase, number 2 peptidase, amylase, pepsin, renin, option number 3 lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, procarboxypeptidase, and option number 4 amylase, peptidase, trypsinogen, and renin. So here you can see the best fit option, which where we get all the enzymes which are found in the pancreatic juice are lipase, amylase, trypsinogen, and procarboxypeptidase. That is option number 3 is the correct answer. In other options you can see that either pepsin is present or renin is present. Pepsin or renin, they are the enzymes which are present in the gastric juice and not in pancreatic juice. So all these 3 options are wrong, and option number 3 is the correct answer. Before moving on to question number 6, let me tell you that I have made a descriptional video regarding digestion and absorption, and I have given the link in my description box. First you can go through that descriptional video and then commit those questions. Now come to question number 6, that is, which of the following gastric cells indirectly help in erythropoiesis? Option number 1, chief cells, number 2, parietal cells, number 3, goblet cells, and number 4, mucus cells. Now erythropoiesis, let me give you a short introduction. Means erythropoiesis meaning is the formation or making up of new red blood cells. That term is known as erythropoiesis. So parietal cells, option number 2, parietal cells in our stomach, gastric cells, parietal cells, they help in formation of one intrinsic factor. Okay, it forms an intrinsic factor which helps in the absorption of vitamin B12, which is necessary for the process of erythropoiesis. Come to question number 7. Match the following structures with their respective location in organs. So on one side you can see the organs are given, the structures are given, and on the next side the organs are given. Structures are number A, crypts of Lieberkühn, number B, Gleason's capsule, number 3, islets of Langerhans, and number 4 is Brunner's glands. And the organs are pancreas, duodenum, small intestine, and liver. Okay, let me tell the structure and organs one by one. First one is the crypts of Lieberkühn. These structures are present in the small intestine, in the crypts, that means in between the villi part of the small intestine. The second option is Gleason's capsule. It is the capsule or the connective tissue covering of the liver. So it is present in the liver. Number C is islets of Langerhans. These are the cells present in the pancreas which secrete insulin and glucagon. And number 4 is Brunner's glands. They are present in the duodenum which secrete cholecystokinin and secretin hormones. So for A, option number 3 is correct, B, 4 is correct, C, 1 is correct, and D, 2 is correct. So overall in those options you can see answer number 3 is the correct one. Come to question number 8. Identify the cells whose secretion protects the lining of the gastrointestinal tract from various enzymes. Number 1, chief cells, number 2, goblet cells, number 3, oxyntic cells, and number 4, duodenal cells. So goblet cells, number 2 is the correct answer, because goblet cells, it secretes mucus which protects our gastrointestinal tract from the harsh action of hydrochloric acid. Moving on to question number 9. Identify the correct statement with reference to the human digestive system. First option is ileum opens into small intestine. The second is serosa is the innermost layer of alimentary canal. Number 3, ileum is a highly coiled part, and number 4, vermiform appendix arises from duodenum. So we have to find out correct statement. So let us see these statements one by one. Number 1, ileum opens into small intestine. It is wrong because ileum opens into large intestine. Number 2, serosa is the innermost layer of alimentary canal. Again it is wrong because serosa is the outermost layer of alimentary canal. The third option, ileum is a highly coiled part. Yes, it is correct because ileum is highly coiled. It is designed in this manner in order to absorb the maximum amount of digested food. And the fourth option is vermiform appendix arises from duodenum. No, it is false. Vermiform appendix arises from the cecum part of the large intestine. So option number 3 is the correct answer. Last question from digestion and absorption part and from the latest 2020 is goblet cells of the alimentary canal are modified from number 1, squamous epithelial cells, number 2, columnar epithelial cells, number 3, chondrocytes, and number 4, compound epithelial cells. Goblet cells of alimentary canal, they are modified from columnar epithelial cells. They are shaped tall. Okay, so they are columnar and their function is to secrete mucus. That's all for today. And if you think कि ये information बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, important है, ये question solve करने भी ज़रूरी है, तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा like करें, share करें और subscribe करना ना भूलें. Thank you.